Why isn't anybody telling you that Google will pay you $150 an hour? And the best part, you don't need any money to get started. Let me show you how. First, go to Google and type in Skillshop. Then go to the first link that pops up that says Skillshop with Google and click here. And here we are. Once you get to this page here, you want to scroll down again and click Google Ads. Click Google Ads certification and you'll find these. This one takes a little over 3.5 hours and they're all beginner friendly. And after completion of that, you will be Google certified. Now after you're certified, you're going to want to head over to Upwork. And here you can charge for your services. A lot of these guys charge more than $100 an hour and most of them have earned over 100K. This guy right here charges $250 and he's made over $300,000. Now, if you're looking for a super simple side hustle where complete beginners are giving up their 9 to 5 forever, working only 1 to 2 hours per day, and you only need the tech skills of a 12-year-old, just comment ready below. And make sure to save and follow for more great ways to make money online.